Hey, how's it going?
I'm Ray.
I'm Matt.
Good to meet you, Matt.
This is it, huh?
Yeah, this side is the issue, I'm sure. Tell by the breakdance.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking women, dude.
Yeah.
Bitch, roll this motherfucker to... Yeah, so...
Yeah, so that's probably, I'm like I was telling you, I'm going to guess it's probably not a brake line, but we'll see. It's probably going to be your caliper. Okay. If it got worn down that much, it probably worn down on the other side to where it just tore up the seal. And it's leaking, you know. Right. So, because you said you got no pedal, right?
No pedal.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what it most likely.
Most likely. I'm about to find out, but I'm just letting you know we'll probably have to get a caliper.
All right, cool deal.
So
here's the thing, though.
And a rotor, obviously.
Yeah, I got the caliper got to be ordered.
Through who?
All AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and
really.
And
all of them around here don't have them.
Yeah, all of them around here.
Damn.
And Thursday they got it at the earliest.
All right.
That was the only thing I was like, fuck, I would just bought it because I got the parts I need.
Yeah.
Let's see, you know, but I'm pretty sure you're right on that one with that seal.
Yeah, let me
because my brake fluid leaked out.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, let's jack up this wheel and then we'll go from there.
I see all my brake fluid there.
Yeah, there it is. All right. So.
Alright, so if I get this shit fixed out, that'll give me some brakes again. Alright.
Yeah, so that's definitely the main culprit.
I'm still trying to get a master cylinder. I think I got lucky.
A master cylinder?
I mean, brake caliper.
Okay, let me check my because I'm in Girard. I live in Girard, yeah. And the main hub is there. I don't know if they but I can check on my phone actually to see if one's available.
Oh, I'm about to check that. I think
11mm bolt, 2017 GMC Terrain, rear brake caliper. $14mm for the caliper bolts. Yeah, so that's literally absolutely no pad left on the front. It's gone. Push the caliper piston all the way out. the sliders are fine. Just literally just didn't do it in time. Didn't listen to the noise that it was had to be making. $15 millimeter for the brake caliper, or the caliper bracket. All of its glory.
Clamp there.
Yeah, they should. They usually come with the whole bracket.
Yeah. They should come with the bracket.
Yeah. You get a core for this too?
No core.
No core for these?
I'm mad I had to buy the fucker. I can get them for like 15, same quality, 15, 20 bucks I can get them on Rock Auto.
Park and brake shoes still look, I mean, park and brake shoes look okay. I mean, they're not.
Yeah, I was using the fuck out of it this last 2 days.
To stop it?
Yeah, I was like,
this, I'll have to tighten this up too. See this?
Uh-huh.
Look how loose that is. See that big gap right there?
Oh, yeah, hell yeah. But, alright, and what's this for? Just the, oh, okay.
Oh, that's just pinching off the fluid.
Alright.
I mean, so it seems like it's empty anyways. We're gonna have to bleed. We're gonna have to bleed these.
Alright. So
but I just like to use the car because I don't have pliers. They make
okay, no, cool.
special pliers. But yeah, that's a little trick you can do. So in case you don't, it doesn't. Yeah, and if you just use the regular vice grips, it might puncture a hole in it.
Gotcha.
All right. So.
We're going off to.
Yeah, Hermitage.
I know you got the pack out, but you can leave your tools however you want.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to seal it so it didn't get soaking wet. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. I mean,
got some motorcycles in here I'm about to sell and get the hell out of here.
Oh, where are you going back? Where are you going?
I'm going back to Youngstown.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got some bikes and shit. My truck in there. I get my truck up.
What kind of bikes?
I got motorcycles. I got
sport bikes, or I ride Harleys and shit.
Oh, I popped the hood. I mean the garages.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
That's it.
You flip them? You just all your personals?
No, they all personal. Should have got rid of them a long time ago. My old lady, my father-in-law, he passed. And they got left to me. They got left to his son, but his son fucked up. And I've been sitting on them for 3 years. Got so much shit in my garage.
You just ready to go back to where you're from? Ready to go back to Youngstown?
Yeah, man.
Where all your family and shit is?
Just make it easy for me.
You taking your girl with you?
Man. man, that's the debate right now.
Yeah.
Official answer is yes, but an unofficial answer is yes. Can't do shit like this, dude. I just put $5 grand into that piece of shit out here.
Yeah. Did you do time and chain?
Time and chain.
Yep. Those fucking those.
That 2.4 inch.
Those fucking no. The 3.6 is the same way.
Same shit?
It's just that motor. Yeah.
Alright.
The 3.6 is worse though because it's the same time and chain setup, but there's even less room. So like you can't even fucking like
rip that motherfucker.
Yeah, like literally, like it's pinned up against the frame and everything and the fender.
So that was 2,700. Get it out now. The fucking exhaust is fucked off. So yeah, big ass hole in my muffler. I gotta change the muffler out.
On that thing.
Yeah, man. Like I'm $5 grand into it in 3 months. I'm like, I ain't shit.
Yeah, I don't know what GM's.
It got too cheap, man. Everything's got too cheap.
Well, the thing is, well, after you fix those though, like after you get like, because it's like they like fit. It was like a flaw that they. But the new shit you put in, once you fix the timing, then they're good.
Yeah,
but
that's it. That shit right running.
What do you do for work?
I work at NLMK right here.
Oh, okay.
See, this steel mill right here is called Weekend 2. I used to work there. My dad, 37 years in.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, I grew up in this mill.
Oh, yeah.
My granddad did 36. But I work in steel mill right now.
Is it easy to get in, or did you get in because of your family?
I got in because of my family, but it is a lot easier to get in now. Get in just put an application on.
Yeah.
That's like literally third generation. My grandfather.
Yeah, that's great. Good paying?
They start you off at 21. By your 4th year, you at max pay. Depending on where you at, 28 to 30,000.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I started doing this mobile mechanic shit like right before winter. I was just kind of trying it out, you know. See, well, I became a car dealer, and it got kind of slow. But I went to school for this. I've been wrenching my whole life, pretty much. So it's not like I'm just like let's try to play mechanic, you know. But it's kind of nice to help people out too. Like sometimes, like it just depends.
I'm stranded. I was gonna be stranded until Thursday. Like, jeez, I just went 2 months with no vehicle.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely times. I mean, there's a lot of people who just need help. You know, it's like
I could get them ropes. I can get out the rope for $30 a piece.
Well, that's the thing, you know what I mean? Every time you can get the parts cheaper, you gotta wait a couple days, and then it's like, man, those auto parts stores, they really got a fucking monopoly on the system, you know? They're like, oh, you need it now? You know what I mean? Like, yeah, because I'm the same way. Like, I tried, if I can order the parts, I'll order them online, you know. Because even with a discount, I can still get them cheaper online, you know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, I just did rear drum brakes on like a 2005 Corolla last night from like 5 until dark. I got it done, but brakes been picking up. I don't mind doing brakes. I'd almost rather just like specialize in. I mean, because like those, if you take your time and do it right, like cause a lot of people, they still think they think I can get the you know, that I'm gonna do them for like $50-$60, and I'm like, I'm not doing it for that. And when I do them, I take my time. Like like your bracket where the brake pad sits on. Like, I'll take that off, even if I'm not doing a rotor, and I'll get all the rust out from there, so everything sits back the way it's supposed to, so your pads are sliding the way they should, and, you know, you're not coming back in the fucking 2 months. Yeah, or like if you look, and like your pads are supposed to wear evenly. Yeah. So if you go to your pads and one's worn down way more than the other, well then Something's not going on, whether it wasn't greased right or.
losing my mind or did I hear a horn blow? Did you blow the horn for me?
I did not.
I'm losing. All right.
I got a couple minutes. You just want me to do that though?
Oh yeah, you can give me a call. Matter of fact, yeah, give me a call so I get your phone number. I can send you money. All right.
All right. Yeah, that works.
150. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, cool. I got it. About ready to bleed?
Yeah. I need to put fluid in it though real quick. Again, pump it up. Just pump it up like 3-4 times and then just hold it. You held? Alright, pump it up. Yeah, it's starting to get there now. Hold on. Pump it up. You held? Pump it up. You holding? Oh, your air is coming out now. Oh, your air is coming out now. Pump it up. You holding? Yeah. Pump it. You held? Pump it. Alright, we'll do it one more time. Pump it. I think we got it. How's it feel?
It's nice and tight.
Yeah.
You like brakes.
Alright.
Oh man.
I tightened that bolt up too.
I sure appreciate that. Damn. Fuck.
And then I'll pop the other side off, put the pads on, and we're good to go.
Out the door, alright. You gonna need these for the other side, I'm assuming.
You know, I will need 2 of them actually. Yeah.
Alright, that phone number that you called me from, I can just cash out to that number?
Yeah, it should pull up my name, yeah. You said I saved your ass?
Yeah, you really did.
That's what I'm here for.
I really appreciate it. I got your number down.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let's.
Let me pop the hood.
That truck's badass.
Yeah, shit. I'm about to pull all that shit off. Load the tires up.
Yeah, this thing's badass.
Come on in, man. Check it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna have you come over and fuck with it, so you'll get same thing with the Datsun.
Yeah, the 280.
Boom.
Oh shit, yeah.
And
See,
I got a Toyota in that one.
are these are they also? Does he got some KZs in there?
Don't make me lie about KZs. I don't know. I don't know shit about motorcycles.
This is the generation.
These are the titles to everything. Suzuki. That Kawasaki, I'm gonna go ahead and get that built back up eventually.
That dirt bike.
Yeah, double pick is the only thing I was like, shit. Yamaha. It's kind of sweet, but yeah.
What do you have no idea what to ask for the bikes?
Huh?
What are you at? Do you know what you're gonna ask for the bikes?
Well, I wanted to get them maintenance first and get them up and running and see how they. I was going blue book value or a good deal, whatever offer. Really, I'm getting rid of them. I'm not trying to get rich on them or flip them or nothing like that. So I'm good.
Well, you have to let me. I mean, I ride and can work on bikes and shit too.
I didn't know you worked on bikes.
Yeah.
Well, this is what I'll do. I'm gonna keep in contact with you because I'm gonna have this motherfucker up and running before May. So,
Yeah, the truck.
Yeah. All this is coming out. This is about to be coming out within like the next 2 weeks. So I'll be able to get my garage back. 'Cause I used to park in my garage just 6 months ago. So, yeah, we can cut a deal so where hell you work on some shit, get some shit fixed up, hell, you know.
Yeah, I mean,
sweet ass deal. And I'll let you see the Honda in there too. You know.
yeah, cause I'm into like I ride Harleys, but I used to have I had a KZ 1000, and it was like they called them the old muscle bikes, and that's kind of like what some of these Suzukis are. Like that one, that looks like a bigger one back there.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Yeah, see, this one don't look too bad, but obviously I'd probably be interested in the bigger ones.
I got you. Yeah.
That one's nice though. This one, what is that, little 650 or something?
Might be a lot to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that thing's nice. Done up nice.
We'll get you up and around.
Yeah, that thing looks like it's a GS. That's a 750. GS 750T.
Yeah, the biggest thing, they just sat for too long. They just sat for 3-4 years.
The 550E. Yeah, I mean, people love these old Suzukis and Kawasaki's. Like this would make a great little. Looks like it's kind of already on its way. A cafe racer.
K-net filters and shit. So.
I don't even know what this looks like a Suzuki too. He had good taste. He was into shit, huh?
He was.
he got a badass car, badass truck. And some old hot rod bikes.
Yeah, fucking pontoon boat right here, and a goddamn fishing boat right here, pontoon boat in the back.
What? He wrenched on all of his stuff too, huh?
Huh?
He did all of his own work. Yeah. Yeah, you'll probably need the carbs resynced and shit. You know, rebuilt.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that carbs. This bad one to get her up and running first.
Yeah, that thing's sweet.
Yeah, sweet my every day to go to and from work. Because I'm selling this. All this will be pretty much sold by the.
This will probably bring you pretty good money.
Oh yeah, will. The Datsun.
Yeah, I don't know what these bring, but
I'm also giving a sweet deal on it. So I'm really it's gonna probably come down to the first person who run here. The first person who gets them is gonna get the best deal. Like I said, I'm not trying to be rich. I'm just trying to be rich.
Yeah.